Welcome to Closer AI. Let's see how to start a call session. Begin by opening up the dashboard by clicking this button in the top right corner. This is the homepage of our dashboard, and here you can navigate to the call sessions menu on the left. Here is where you will find all your previous call sessions, and you can start a new session by clicking the button in the top right corner. Now fill in this information with the details of a customer that you're about to go on a call with. You can either type in their name or the customer ID number. Let's leave the client description blank for now. Select the language in which you will have your phone call. Select the call script that you would like Closer AI to follow during your conversation, for example, a sales call. Select the AI model you would prefer to use. Let's pick the faster one. And let's leave the background filtering level to low. I will also leave this toggle turned on because I want to save the transcript of this conversation for later. Now click the Start Session button in the bottom right. Now it's time to decide if you want to use Closer AI inside your browser or if you want to download the desktop app, which I will demonstrate later. The benefits of using a browser version are that there is minimal setup required and you can use Closer AI instantly without downloading our app. The drawback is that you need to connect the browser version directly to the online meeting such as Google Meet, Zoom or Microsoft Teams, while the desktop app works with any application on your computer. Let's quickly demonstrate the browser version and later I will demonstrate the desktop app. Click the browser button, review the settings that we selected earlier and click Connect. Now it's time to select the tab to which we want Closer AI to connect to. So if you're having an online meeting inside the Google Meet application like this, then simply select the Google Meet tab and click Share. Now the Google Meet conversation is shown here on the top left, the transcription of the meeting is shown below, and any answers that the Closer AI generates will be shown here on the right. You can generate the answers by clicking one of these buttons. You can also resize these windows, clear the transcriptions on both sides, or manually type in a question. Now let's close this browser session by clicking the Exit button in the top right corner and open this same call session inside the desktop app. If this is your first time using the desktop app, you will need to download it first by clicking this button and selecting your system. Once the app downloads, click on the folder. If you're using a Windows computer, follow the installation instructions on your display, and if you're using a Mac computer, simply drag this icon to the Applications folder. Now return to this screen and click the Open in Desktop App button. Click Open Closer AI. Click Open again, and now the Closer AI desktop app is opened on your computer and overlaid on top of your display. The transcription of your conversation is now shown here at the top, and if you move your mouse over this button, you can clearly see what was said by you and what was said by the prospect. And whenever you need help from Closer AI, simply click one of the prompt buttons right here or type in your question. Closer AI will then generate a real-time response based on how the conversation with your client is going. You can scroll through the answers or close the answer by using this button. The main benefit of using the desktop app is that you can do whatever you need to do on your computer while you're using the application. You could be taking notes, opening your calendar, using your CRM or whatever it is, and Closer AI will be on top of everything, listening to your conversation and providing an answer to whatever you need. You can also resize the Closer AI window by using these buttons right here or move it. You can even hide the window by using this button. And because Closer AI is listening to both your microphone and your computer audio, it will work even when you're using the headset. The desktop app is also great because it allows you to switch between sessions really quickly. When your call with the prospect number 1 has ended, you can simply close the session by using this red button in the top right corner and then start a new session by clicking the Start Session button. Now you can quickly fill out the information about this new prospect, change the call script depending on what type of call you're going to have, and start a new session. And Closer AI is already listening to your conversation and ready to provide answers and support whenever you need it. So this is how you start a call session with Closer AI. And if you have any other questions about Closer AI, don't hesitate to message us by using this email support button right here.